Hello viewers, Flipkart Holy Sale and Amazon Holy Sale will come in the month of March. Many people are confused between Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, iPad 10th generation and MI Pad 7. They are asking me about which tablet is the best, but there is no tablet which is best. Each tablet has its pros and cons, so you have to select your priorities before buying any tablet. If you are a student and you want to take note on your tablet, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus and also iPad 10th generation. However, in order to have writing experience on MI Pad 7, you have to buy Focus Pen separately, that will cost around 6,000 rupees. On the other hand, with iPad 10th generation, you have to buy pen separately, but you will get third-party pencil that will cost around 1.2k. And if you want Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, in that case, the S Pen will come free of cost inside the box. Some users are asking me about MI Pad 7, whether it is good enough for video editing or not. If you are trying to buy this tablet, in that case you will get everything right. Display, processor and also gaming will be fine, but I would not recommend this tablet for video editing. For video editing, I think iPad 10th generation is the best choice under 30,000 rupees, because in this iPad you will get a 14 Bionic chipset which is very powerful. You can render 4K 60 FPS videos in this iPad 10th generation, which is not possible in case of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus or MI Pad 7. But in iPad 10th generation you will get only 64 GB of internal storage. So if you are someone who likes to store too many stuffs in the form of video and images in your iPad, in that case you will feel shortage of storage. Similarly, if you buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, in that case you will get a 12.4 inches LCD display and the video consumption is very good on this tablet. The stereo speakers are excellent. With the use of S Pen, you can do a lot of productive tasks on your tablet and note-taking experience is the best on S9 AP Plus. But video editing is not so good on this tablet. If you want to edit videos casually, in that case you can buy this tablet. Otherwise, if you want heavy gaming and also heavy video editing in 4K 60 FPS, in that case I will never recommend this tablet to buy. Similarly, if you bother too much about software update, in that case you will not get regular updates on MI Pad 7. Also, update cycle is not so smooth in this tablet, so you must be aware about this fact. In case of Tab S9 AP Plus, you will get regular updates and update cycle is very good on Tab S9 AP Plus. Plus, in Android tablet market you will get stable updates only from Samsung. But if you talk about iPad 10th generation, it has the best software update cycle and you will get regular updates and stable updates. Plus, in iPadOS 18.3.1 you will get lots of customization features, and those features will definitely make your iPad 10th generation always new. If I talk about the note-taking experience on iPad 10th generation, it is also very good. I had no issue and I am using this third-party pencil from Kingone. If you want to buy this pencil, I will put the link in the description where you can buy this pen. So in the conclusion, buy that tablet which you really like. Don't listen to anyone and select your priorities, whether you want display, you want battery, or you want software updates, or you want processor. Ask these questions to yourself, and if you get the answer, you can select any one of these devices that will be best for you. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.